Hi, this is Mr. V, and in this video we're going to look at how we can apply the first index law when we have coefficients present. So in this expression over here, we've got the same base number, this x, okay, because x is the number that has a power attached to it. We're not really worrying about these numbers, the 6 and the 4 yet, but the base of the index is the same, and we're going to multiply a sign, which means we can use the first index law. But we've got these numbers, and we call them coefficients. We've got these coefficients in front of our variable parts. So how do we deal with those? So what we're going to do is we're going to follow this strategy here. We're going to rewrite the equation by grouping. So we're going to rewrite this equation, which we can do without changing the math. And we're going to group everything together. So first I'm going to group all my coefficients, all my numbers together. So I've got 6 and I've got 4, and in between all of these are invisible multiply signs. So I can take these and drag them to the front. So 6 times 4. Yeah, I haven't changed the math, I've just put these in a different order. Times. And then I'm going to group together all of the variable parts. Okay, so I've got x squared times, and I've got x to the power of 5 here, x to the power of 5. I haven't changed the math, I'm still multiplying 6 and x squared and 4 and x to the power of 5. I'm just doing it in a different order now. Next, I want to multiply my numbers. Okay, if you have to use a calculator here, that's fine. 6 times 4, I know from my times table that is 24. Times, and then I'm left with this variable part, and I've got powers, and I've still got the same base, powers, and a multiply sign, so I can use my first index law here. But now I don't have these numbers in front of them that make it look messy. So first index law tells me that when I'm multiplying two numbers with the same base, I add their powers. So x squared times x5, that's going to become x to the power of 2 plus 5. X to the power of 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7, so that's x7. And because this is all one term now, I can not show the multiply sign and just make this 24x. Okay, the multiply sign is still there, it's just invisible. So this expression simplifies to 24x to the power of 7. And I hope you can see that that term is much simpler than this expression. If you have a really big expression, a really big equation, simplifying in this form can make it a lot easier to solve. And that is how we simplify an expression that has coefficients.